sound and stable personality and character. Pre-licensing education, which in case of realtors is 60 credits in Virginia and 20 credits for mortgage loan officer. Please check your state's corresponding department's website for their requirements. In terms of mortgage loan officer, some states are fine with only federal exams. Some states have their own separate state portion as well. So please, again, check your corresponding state's requirements. And then passing the license exam and then attaching with a brokerage company which has supervising broker that will supervise you through the process. Now, I want to make one more thing clear here. Sound and stable personality and character, we all make mistakes in life. Some are financial mistakes or personal mistakes and all that. But the character does not consist of an incident or in an occasion. Character and personality are our acts that we do over a period of time. So over a period of time, if you have shown responsibility and because this is a business of trust, it's a people's business. So your clients must trust you, which means whatever you have, the two most important things are disclosures and disclaimers that you bring into it. People should know what they need to know to do business with you, number one. And number two, if there are any, underlying things, relationships or any such things which are required by law, by ethics or morality, and they should know that, please make sure that you make them aware of it. So that is the requirement for entrance exam. There are many resources available online to help with the test preparation, with the classes. Some people like online classes like webinars or pre-recorded classes, and some people prefer in-person classes, and all of those are available. And every state has a list of authorized training providers. You should look for that as well. Okay, Kelly, what else you can tell us about people who want to enter into this profession? What should they do or what should they don't? And what is a good starting point?
Well, a good starting point would be determining if you want to get into real estate or mortgage industry. I'll just share. I was going to college to get a degree in business when I took a part-time job in a mortgage company. Part-time meaning just a receptionist, just to, nothing that was difficult or at the time. And I saw this mortgage industry and really decided to learn a little bit. And here I am all these years later, loving this job. It's more today than I ever had. It's working with people, helping them to obtain home ownership. I know I say it all the time, Dr. Khan, but home ownership is the first step to wealth. And so not only are you you'll have a wonderful career, but also you will enjoy it if it's the right job for you. So I say, why don't you look more into it? Get some more information. Ask Dr. Khan or myself, either one, or any real estate mortgage professional, to talk to them about it. Ask them what they like about it, what they don't like about it. I invite you, if you want more information, I would love to help you get on the track.
Friends, we have emphasized many times that these professions are not about selling. These are about helping your customers. If they ever were about selling, they're not anymore. There's so much information and resources available to consumers, clients, and customers that they don't need you for information. They need you for helping, walking them through the process, explaining them certain things. And that's what this business is about. And second thing I wanted to say is that we talk a lot about mortgages and real estate brokerage, but real estate professions are not limited to those. We have title and closing professionals, we have appraisers, we have home inspectors, we have investors, fix and flip professionals, construction people. Real estate industry is one of the largest and most dynamic industries in the world, but especially in America. So whichever profession of the real estate parts you choose, make sure it matches your personality. Do some homework, talk to seasoned professionals who are already there and are willing to help. Talk to us. We welcome you anytime. And with this note, I would like to thank you for being with us, listening to us, and being in the real estate fraternity, helping people out there. Thank you very much, Kelly, and we'll be back with more.